Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. Today I'm going to do a little product review of the Ohuhu Lawn Aeration Spikes. Now there's lots of different reasons why you might want to aerate your lawn. It's towards the end of the season, your dirt is getting compact, your lawn's getting beat down, it's getting it's getting some brown to it, everything's drying out. It's, as I mentioned, the end of the season. It's a good chance to aerate your lawn. What lawn aeration spikes do is they actually puncture holes down into that dirt and let the moisture and nutrients get down into the roots, strengthens the roots, strengthens that lawn, and gets it nice and green again for you. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to do the quick review on these Ohuhu Lawn Aeration Spikes. You can get them on Amazon. They run you just about 20 bucks. Not a super high-end product, but I'm going to give you a little review. As I mentioned, they're about $20. I'll put the link down in the description below. But these guys, they for $20, they're definitely serving their purpose. They come with multiple Velcro straps. Very simple, very straightforward. They go over your toe, mid-foot, and they kind of go over your ankle to keep them secure. They've got lots of spikes down on the bottom there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 total spikes on that guy. They actually screw in right into the hard plastic sole. They may come in multiple sizes. I think that was kind of a one-size-fits-all thing. But you strap them right over your tennis shoe, and you just start walking up and down that lawn. Normal steps. Obviously, there's going to be 2 in a set. You just do normal steps, kind of walk up and down your lawn. It's a good opportunity if you want to play with the dog for a little bit or just get a few extra steps in for the day. It is the new year. You want to get that 10,000 steps. Good opportunity right there. But these lawn spikes, for $20, as I mentioned, they're serving the purpose, right? But a couple things I noticed, when you do walk around, the spikes do get loose. They just come with that nut and bolt, but you do have to screw them back in. As I'm kind of going through here, you can see several of these guys are quite loose. So after you walk around for a couple minutes, after you do your lawn at the end of your day, take them off. You're going to find some loose spikes. Maybe yours won't be as bad as mine are, but just go ahead and tighten them back up. They're going to work out fine for you. I do notice some rusting. Usually you want to do this after you kind of water your lawn. Let there be a little bit of moisture in there. It's going to help those spikes get a little down deeper in that hard, compact dirt. You can also do it when it's dry, of course, too, but whatever works for you. But you're going to get some moisture on there. Like I said, you do get some rusting, but they're all holding out together fine. You're not doing this every weekend. You're not doing this 8, 9, 10 times a year. Maybe you're doing it only twice a year. But for 20 bucks, gonna work out fine. Like I said, 3 Velcro straps. They all seem to be holding up very well within that part. Not a bad little product. That's the Ohuhu Lawn Aeration Spikes. It cost you about 20 bucks. I'll put that description down below. And, we'll walk around this grass. Hopefully we'll aerate it, get it green again. See you all soon. Thanks for checking in.